Today we are going to do 5 minutes meditation. In this meditation we will focus on connecting with the present moment, letting go of distractions and stress, and cultivating a sense of calm and well-being. To begin, find a comfortable seated position, with your spine straight and your feet flat on the ground. Allow your hands to rest comfortably in your lap, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress in your body. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Allow your breath to flow naturally and smoothly, without trying to control it in any way. Simply observe the rhythm of your breath, as it flows in and out. As you focus on your breath, allow any thoughts or distractions to gently fall away. Let go of any worries or stress, and allow yourself to simply be present in this moment. If your mind begins to wander, simply bring your attention back to your breath, and allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of relaxation and peace. Now, imagine a warm, soothing light flowing through your body, from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. This light is calming and healing, and it fills you with a sense of inner peace and well-being. As you breathe in, imagine that you are drawing this light into your body, filling yourself with calm and serenity. As you exhale, imagine that you are releasing any tension or stress, and allowing yourself to sink deeper into a state of relaxation. Continue to focus on your breath, and allow this sense of calm and well-being to grow stronger with each passing moment. You may wish to repeat a simple mantra to yourself, such as peace or calm, to help you stay centered and focused. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and slowly exhale. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice any sensations in your body, and any changes in your mood or mindset. Remember that you can return to this sense of calm and well-being at any time, simply by taking a few moments to focus on your breath and connect with the present moment. Thank you for joining me for this 5-minute meditation practice, and I hope it helps you to start your day with peace and clarity.